Car. I have a car. Taxi. The taxi is yellow. Bus. I go to school by bus. Minibus. The minibus is full. Van. The van is blue. Pickup truck. The pickup truck carries boxes. Truck. The truck is very big. Trailer truck. The trailer truck carries goods. Motorcycle. He rides a motorcycle. Scooter. She has a scooter. Bicycle. I ride my bicycle daily. Tricycle. The child rides a tricycle. Electric bicycle. This electric bicycle is fast. Electric scooter. My electric scooter is new. ATV. The ATV drives on dirt roads. Go-kart. The go-kart is fun. Formula car. The formula car is very fast. Race car. The race car wins the race. Sports car. His sports car is yellow. Limousine. The limousine is long. Caravan. They travel in a caravan. Camper van. We sleep in a camper van. Motorhome. The motorhome has a kitchen. Ambulance. The ambulance is coming. Fire engine. The fire engine is near the house. Police car. The police car is on the street. Tow truck. The tow truck moves the car. Garbage truck. The garbage truck is noisy. Cement mixer. The cement mixer is working. Dump truck. The dump truck carries sand. Forklift. The forklift lifts boxes. Tractor. The tractor works on the farm. Harvester. The harvester cuts wheat. Bulldozer. The bulldozer pushes dirt. Excavator. The excavator digs a hole. Road roller. The road roller makes the road smooth. Crane truck. The crane truck lifts heavy things. Tank. The tank is very strong. Armored vehicle. The armored vehicle is safe. Military truck. The military truck carries supplies. Train. The train arrives on time. Subway train. I take the subway train to work. Tram. The tram stops here. Monorail. The monorail is modern. High-speed train. The high-speed train is very fast. Locomotive. The locomotive pulls the train. Cable car. The cable car goes up the mountain. Unicycle. He rides a unicycle. Airplane. The airplane flies high. Helicopter. The helicopter lands slowly.
Thank you for watching.